Hi everybody, Megan Hayes Ayurveda here. This is the fourth video in my series on Ayurvedic morning routine, Ayurvedic morning practices. This fourth practice I do after tongue cleaning, oil pulling, and rosewater eye wash. Check out those videos if you haven't seen them yet. And this fourth practice might seem really simple. It's drinking water. So I drink 16 ounces of water first thing in the morning after those practices. And what this does for me is it stimulates the digestive system. It stimulates my elimination patterns. It gets your hydrochloric acid stimulating in the stomach. So it starts that production. And then it also, the volume of water presses down on the large intestines and stimulates peristalsis, or the movement associated with digestion. So it stimulates a morning bowel movement. If that is something you struggle with, this is a great practice to try and incorporate. Ayurveda says that drinking water first thing in the morning is so beneficial for restoring that downward flow of our digestive system, waking up the digestive system, encouraging and supporting morning elimination patterns, which Ayurveda says it's very optimal to have a bowel movement first thing in the morning or early in the morning. It sort of continues the process of detoxification that has been happening overnight while we're sleeping. And it helps to, again, restore those downward moving energies that govern digestion and keep us grounded and stable. And then also, again, it helps to facilitate natural detoxification of the body. So if you are interested in this practice, I would recommend starting with 16 ounces of water, room temp. Ayurveda says that we don't ever want to drink anything cold. Why? Well, if you're drinking cold water and causing the internal organs in the body to be cold, you will hold on to waste products. When we are cold, we hold on to our waste products to conserve heat. So that includes sweating, urinating, and eliminating. So we hold onto those waste materials, sweat, urine, and fecal matter, to stay warm. So room temp works for me, especially because I'm using 16 ounces. Some people like to go up to 24, up to 32 ounces of water to have that volume and that pressure on the large intestines to get the bowel movement going. They need that extra volume. 16 ounces seems to do the trick for me. If you are a colder natured person, you're going to need to use warm water, and you might not need to use 16 ounces of it. So the warmth is going to help everything internally relax, all the smooth muscle relax, and your body will let go of waste because it is warm. So we let go of waste when we need to cool down. So adding that warmth will help you do that, especially if you are a more vata natured person. Ayurveda says you probably have a little more gas, bloating, dryness, constipation, maybe some anxiety, and you're a colder natured person in general. So let me know if you have any questions about this practice. It's been very helpful for me just to kind of get a clean slate in the beginning of the day, stimulate my metabolism, and of course rehydrate after a night of presumably not drinking any water for at least 8 hours. Let me know again if you have any questions, if you do this practice, if you have any issues with it, and stay tuned. I've got more videos on Ayurvedic morning routine coming up. I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.